In this video, I'll introduce the Brand Voice Creator agent. Why would you need such agent? Your existing content has a specific cadence, a vocabulary, and a structural rhythm. When you use AI to generate new material, the output needs to match the voice of your current content. If it doesn't, your audience will notice. AI-assisted content should be as close to human written material as possible. This agent will help you scan your existing content and create your brand voice profile in Contentstack. Let's continue by going through the details of this agent. I'll explain what it does, how it is configured, and later share the outcome once we run this agent. We are inside Agent Builder. The workflow begins under the Trigger section, where it is currently set to run when a workflow state change triggers for the voice verification report content type, and it gets to the Analyze Voice stage. On the Tools section, we have set specific tools that Agent OS allows us to configure and will help us achieve our objective. First, we have an HTTP request, which will help us fetch the content from a page URL. It can be whether you're moving from another platform or already using Contentstack and you just got Agent OS. We have Get All Voice Profiles. We'll fetch existing voice profiles from the active brand kit. Create a voice profile will help us create a voice profile under the brand kit. Email.AgentOS will help us send a formatted report of the analyzed page URL and the details of the identified voice. Update an entry will update the content entry that triggered this workflow with the details of the analysis. Set entry workflow updates the workflow stage of the entry that triggered the agent. Get single entry will help us read the contents of the entry that triggered the agent. Finally, web search, which will serve as a fallback tool in case the HTTP request tool isn't able to fetch the content it needs to analyze. For the instructions section, we have provided the agent to run with a clear goal, important rules to follow regarding scope and the usage of sources, along with a sequence of detailed instructions on reading the entry from the stack, fetching the page URL content, how to structure the data to analyze, how to identify the voice of the content, and how to compare it against those voice profiles we have in the active brand kit. Send an email report of the analysis made, as well as how to use the rest of the listed tools to achieve our goal. We proceed to run the agent by changing the workflow state to the Analyze Voice stage of the voice verification report entry. We then go back to the Execution tab, and we can see now the agent is getting executed. Let's wait for a bit. After the agent finishes running, we go to the content entry page, refresh it, and we can see the details of the analysis made by the agent. Inside the report details field, we can see it was able to identify and create a voice profile. To confirm this, we go to the Brands Kit page. We refresh its contents, and we can see now there's a new voice profile created. We open it, and we can see the voice details the agent was able to identify. With this, we end our demo for this agent. We hope you find it useful. Thank you for watching.